Hello, my name is Jesse Bellavance and I am the owner of Killer BJJ. I wanted to make a video to demonstrate how to design and build your own BJJ belt. The first thing we're going to do is log into the website at killerbgi.com. And then once you're there, scroll down to the belt section. It's broken up into two steps. Step one, we design your belt, how it looks, colors, embroidery. Step two is made up of fabric options and sizing options. So let's go on to step one and click the button here, design your belt. So once you go to the product page, a customize button will appear under add to cart. We want to click that first. And then the mock-up tool will appear with a standard blue belt with a black bar, and we're going to change it to a black belt with a red bar. So I'm going to select black and then go down to here and select red for the rank bar. Now here we have a standard black belt. What we're going to do is add some text embroidery and also a logo embroidery or an image. So first, to add the text, go over here where I'm highlighting and select the add text button. A text box will appear, and what you'll do is enter in the text you would like on the belt. So for this example, I'm just going to put Killer BJJ and then click the text button, and that'll add $10 to the order. Each embroidery is $10. So you can see it pops up into the middle of the display, and it's black. And so what we want to do is change the color so it'll contrast well with the black belt. So I'm going to select that button right here for color and then select red. Now I'm also going to resize it a little bit so it'll fit better on the belt. And then I'm going to drag it over to where I would like it embroidered. I'm leaving a little bit space on the end because I'm going to add an image graphic right here. You can also change the font type to a number of the ones we have put in there. I'll pick lobster. All right. Now I'm going to go all the way up back to the right and click the camera button to add an image. I have an image already in place, but you're basically just going to select it from your local computer or iPhone or tablet. And then once you click it, it'll add it over here and also add another $10 to the cost of the belt. I'm going to shrink it down and then rotate it and then drag it over to the end of the belt. Now I'm pretty happy with that. If you want to see all the layers at once, you could click this button here where there's a stacked group of squares. Here you can see the select color of the belt, the rank bar. This is your graphic that's at the end of the belt, and then this is for the text. You can change it here if you like, and you'll see the changes over on the left. All right, I'm happy with that. I'm going to scroll down and click the done button. Oh, before you do, you can also download an image if you want to just have it on file. It'll drop it into your download folder. And then you can also save your mock-ups using this button right here. Now, if you want to load it back up later, say you have 10 belts that you've worked on, you'll click the load designs button. Right now, we only have, I have this belt here, and I also have a gi that I was working on earlier. But that's how that works. All right, we're done. We're going to add it to the cart. You can see the $20 has been added right here. And then it'll drop it into the cart, and you'll see a thumbnail image of your mock-up appear over here. So now what we need to do as we finish step one, we're going to go to step two. You can click the continue shopping button, or you can click the Killer BJJ logo right here and then scroll back down and go to step two. Click the button below step two. And then what we're going to do is reconfirm some of the details from step one, and then also sizing and fabric options for step two. This is just a placeholder image. Nothing will change as you select options over here. So we're going to select the black belt, but you also have the option of doing a professor's black belt. Basically, we'll just add on the 2 white ranking marks at the end of each part of the red rank bar. Belt fabric option, I'm gonna pick the gi material fabric because it's probably the most popular. We can also do in standard belt fabric. Belt size, you can choose any of the standard sizes, or you can set your own custom length. And we'll set it to 150. Make sure you put a value in there so I know what it is you want me to make. Custom width, you have 3 choices. The standard, I believe, is 1.75. And then we have 2 sets of conditions you would need to accept. The first one basically says it takes 15 days, business days, to get this order processed and delivered. And also, we respect the rights of other artists, and so please don't upload Nike logos or Adidas logos or anything like that. I won't be able to embroider them. I won't knowingly embroider anything that I believe is trademark protected. So once those 2 have been clicked, you can add to cart. Make sure everything is as you like it, and then go to checkout. And then what you're going to do is fill in your information. And it'll give you the shipping rate, and then continue on to payment. So that sums up the process for designing and building your belt order. If you need any help, click this chat button down here on the right. I should be online and we'll be able to answer any of your questions. If I'm not, try using the chat bot here. I uploaded a lot of the questions that I get and provided answers to them, but if I don't respond, I will respond later. I do get a notification that you sent a message. Just make sure you include your email. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.